Wow, Disney Pixar cars. Ooh, very cool, man. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay friends, today we are looking for Disney Pixar cars in here. Ooh, look at that. Wow, Disney Pixar cars. Okay, let's collect the basket, bro. Ooh, thank God pink color. Wow, so cool, man. Ooh, very cool. With the end. Wow, Raymond cars blue color. Ooh, and wow, guys, lightning McQueen gold. Whiz and red lightning McQueen. Ooh, so cool. Wow, Smoky's automotive service. We and sharp. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Wow, look at that. Ooh, Squidward tentacles. Wow, Miss Fritter. Here, and racing car purple color. Ooh, Raymond cars. Here, helicopter. Whiz and Jackson Storm. Wow, look at that. Many is Pixar cars toys. Ooh, so cool, man. Okay, let's collect one by one to the basket, bro. Ooh, guys. Here, SpongeBob SquarePants. Wow, Lightning McQueen. Whiz, and here is shirt. Ooh, Karen cars. Wow, here, Sharkcraft. Ooh, helicopter. Wow, 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 guys. Sheriff police. Wow, and racing car. Ooh, Mack truck. Here, tractor. Ooh, and Dino the King. Wow, Tomater cars. Ooh, and Lightning McQueen. Wow, Guido. Here, Fillmore. And Sally Carrera. Ooh, guys. Wow, flow cars. Whiz and green racing cars. Wow, wow, wow. Here is the Hudson. Okay, next. And Larry Armstrong. And funny cars. Ooh, Gary. Wow, Minion. Guys, Luigi. Here, Smoky. Ooh, and Chick Hicks. Rayo McQueen. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.